The poached egg, water gently boiling. Lightly season that water, and then the vinegar. The vinegar helps to strengthen the egg white and enrobes that white around the yolk. Gently stir the water just until you've got momentum in the pan. Take your egg, very carefully crack it into the bowl, and in a bowl allows you to lower it into the water gently. So, in and lower it in, and let it go. And what happens now is the egg white starts to wrap around the egg yolk and encases this beautiful poached egg that makes it look almost like a ball of mozzarella. Keep the water gently rolling, a gentle soft boil, and then just turn it down. Turn that over, presentation side up, very carefully bring it out onto your tissued paper, and then very carefully use the back of the spoon, use the paper, and lift that up very carefully. And that is how to poach an egg.